In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your MasterCard or Visa card to your PayPal account. This process is simple and will only take you about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the PayPal website. If you're unsure, typing PayPal into your search engine should get you there quickly. Once you're on PayPal's homepage, you'll need to locate and click the Login button. This should be prominently displayed, usually in the top right corner of the page. Now that you've reached the login page, go ahead and enter your email address and password in the appropriate fields. Make sure to double check your entries for any typing errors, as even a small mistake can prevent you from logging in. Once you've confirmed everything is correct, proceed by clicking on the Login button. After successfully logging in, you will land on your PayPal homepage. Here you'll find an overview of your account, recent activity, and various options available to you. For today's task, focus on the Pay and Get Paid option situated among the navigation links. Click on it to continue. Following this, direct your attention to the Wallet tab on the next screen. The Wallet section is where PayPal manages all your financial information, such as linked bank accounts and cards. Once there, look for and click on Banks and Cards. PayPal makes it straightforward by showing you all the different ways you can link or manage your payment methods. In this section, find and select Link a Credit Card. Here you will enter the details of the MasterCard or Visa you wish to connect with your PayPal account. Carefully fill in the required fields, ensuring each entry is accurate. This step is crucial because valid information is necessary for the linking process to succeed. Once your card details are filled out, proceed by clicking on Link Card. PayPal will process the information, which may take a few moments. The system will notify you when your card has been successfully linked. Finally, with your card linked to your account, you're now ready to transfer money from the card to your PayPal balance, which opens up a wide range of possibilities for making secure online transactions. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully linked your card to your PayPal account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone who might find this guide useful.